My name is Jake Millward and we are here today at J4M54 testing out the new Surron Storm. The first thing I noticed, what stood out to me the most, was the handling of the bike and how good it turns like round tight corners. Like, there's some real tight corners on this track, and to be honest I don't think that you could really get around those corners faster on any other kind of bike, to be honest, just with how nimble it is. Power is also really good. There's a few different settings on there to obviously to cater it to your style or your type of riding. You can do it. A good point about the bike as well is that, like you say, you don't have to change an air filter, you're not having to fill it with fuel, you're not having to do a lot of things that you would actually do with like a normal conventional motorbike. So like the maintenance side of things, obviously there's a lot less to do on this than what there is on a normal motocross bike.